Alright guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. We're gonna shoot up to the barn there and see if we can get this thing sided up. So I'll see you guys up here. Alright guys, up here at the barn. Just come from McDonald's. You ever get the feeling when you pull in, there's like 50 cars that are hiding around the corner, and they see you coming in and they hurry up and get in line? It's Sunday morning. I mean, it's COVID outside. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Then when you get in line, there's 2 lanes there. We don't know where your order went. All right, guys, let's get to work. right, guys. We got another good day. We got all the siding up, except for a little spot right up here. We got 3 sheets to do, but we need to get some more lumber. So that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.